Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Disclaimer: we do not promote or encourage any illegal activities. Today we are going to see about AutoPWN-Suite Tool. This tool is mainly used for scanning vulnerabilities and exploiting systems automatically. These are some features of the tool, available in the website. You can go through and get some idea about the tool. And here is the installation process of the tool. First, you have to copy the link from the website. After that, you have to paste the command to clone the tool in the terminal. Then, we are now changing directory to AutoPWN-Suite folder, as given above, and then, ls command is used to list the directory present in it. Now in the above command, we are giving execute permission for AutoPWN.py file. And then by using ls command, we could see that the permission is given to the particular folder. Here, in this command, -y is used to display the help menu in the tool. And then, to run the tool, we should use the above command. And in this command, in -t, we should use the vulnerable IP address. And when we press enter, it will process and fetch the data from vulnerable IP address. Here, when scan is completed, it will display the port number, as displayed above. And here, it will display whether the state is in, open, close, or in filtered state. Here, it will display the service used in the IP address, HTTP or HTTPS. And in product, it will display the type of server used in the system. And at last it will display the version of vulnerable IP address, as shown above. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share and do subscribe to our channel, Briskinfosec.